Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here and welcome to episode 532 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, Bitcoin has reached $53,000. The first Bitcoin ETF saw $165 million in trading volume in its first day. A second Bitcoin ETF launched today, and Graph Blockchain has completed the acquisition of Babbage Mining. Just before we get into the show, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. I also recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. Some of these include the Clean Tech and Climate Change podcast, as well as the Cannabis podcast. Both of those will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. So as we enter the weekend, Bitcoin has continued its upward momentum, registering yet another new all-time high trading price of $53,155 earlier this morning. That's according to data from CoinMarketCap. At the time of recording, Bitcoin is trading for just below $53,000 and has a total market cap of about $989 billion, just shy of $1 trillion. Yesterday saw the launch of the world's first Bitcoin ETF from Purpose Investments Inc., trading as Purpose Bitcoin ETF in Canadian dollar denominated ETF non-currency hedged units as BTCC-B on the TSX, and US dollar denominated ETF non-currency hedged units that's trading on the TSX as BTCC-U. According to the press release, this ETF invests directly in physically settled Bitcoin and is backed directly by physically settled Bitcoin holdings. CoinDesk reports that since launching, about $165 million worth of shares of the newly minted ETF changed investor hands in less than a day. A second Bitcoin ETF, also Canadian, from Evolve Funds Group Inc., launched today on the Toronto Stock Exchange as EBIT for Canadian dollars and EBIT-U for US dollars. Raj Lalla, the president and CEO at Evolve, commented, quote, "The recent institutional adoption has helped further legitimize the progress of Bitcoin. Being able to offer an ETF which holds physical Bitcoin is a real game changer in Canada. Now investors may participate in Bitcoin via their brokerage accounts within their RRSP and TFSA. Bitcoin has proven to be a store of value that is uncorrelated to other major asset classes and has now emerged as an asset class itself." End quote. Graph Blockchain Inc., which trades on the CSE under the ticker symbol GBLC, has completed the acquisition of altcoin-focused Babbage Mining Corp. Graph Blockchain CEO Andrew Ryu said, quote, "The acquisition of Babbage will help position Graph in the evolving and rapidly expanding cryptocurrency space. According to website Coindesk.com, Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency has a market cap of $1.17 trillion Canadian. It has increased from a price of around $437 in February 2016 to over $49,400 today at 11,746% increase. Graph now has a platform in altcoin for employing blockchain transactions through crypto mining related payments on blockchain and a variety of subsequent support services. We look forward to growing Graph organically and through other viable acquisitions in the crypto space." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music.